Hello. Valentine Starbucks drink taste test. Okay, this is a chocolate covered strawberry frappuccino and it looks divine. We have two drinks and I'm so excited. This one I'm the most intrigued about. It's a blackberry sage refresher and I'm very interested to see how it goes with the herbal route. I did have a lavender latte last year and it's returning this year. But other than that, I don't really know what herbs they've used before. I love a rosemary, I love a thyme, I love a basil in a drink. It's a nice twist on things, so let's try this. I'm definitely getting chunks. Let's try it with a straw. Oh, there's a little bit of a medicinal berry on the very back end, but it is very refreshing. And the sage just add a very nice flavor. Now I didn't get the lemonade refresher, so it is a little bit watery, but I think it's a water base. I could be lying. I'm not that versed in refreshers, but it is good. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Add some simple syrup and a spirit, and baby, this is a cocktail. So, okay. Chocolate covered strawberry. I don't love strawberry in like a desserty drink. Like I don't like a strawberry ice cream, a strawberry milkshake, that kind of thing. But chocolate covered strawberries is my like non-negotiable for Valentine's or anytime really. They're so good. I love them so bad. So also they did have a strawberry funnel cake drink one summer, which I thought would be and it was life-changing. So I have no expectations. Oh, that's a threat. He was mean. Okay. Oh, that's delightful. I got coconut milk, so that along with the strawberry makes this like way lighter. Not too heavy, not too sweet. This is so yummy and perfectly balanced. I want some of the chocolate sauce and whipped cream. Oh yeah. There's no actual chocolate in this other than the little chocolate tiny chips. I'm changing my ratings. Refresher is 7, this is an 8. They're both good.